Gosford area remodeling project. We're renewing the life expired equipment. We're also improving the actual infrastructure. One of the main goals is to move from the mechanical signalling system and going into the computer-based system, which makes way for remote control of the Gosford area. Another goal of the project is to widen the narrow track centres currently through the Gosford yard area. Once we open up those tracks, we can step up on the timetable and get faster trains for the public.
Stage 6 possession initiated Christmas night and it was continuous till the 13th of January.
19 days of shutdown. Stage 6 is our halfway point. It's also our longest, most complex possession. Involves a large portion of track that spans about 600 metres.
Stage 6 was pulling out redundant signalling equipment to allow the civil to go in and spread the roads and lay the new points in, which then allowed the overhead wiring teams to come in and spread the wires across those roads and then place all the point machines and recertify all the signalling equipment that had been replaced. Also replaced 2 crossovers and removed about 5 or 6 crossovers that were no longer in use.
We had 13 different possession changes, so that's effectively you had to meet a certain milestone, have track ready for handback, then start again for another section. So this possession was a bit complex because we often had a live track adjacent to us. That took a lot of work in terms of discussing with safe working specialists as well as train planning to come up with a solution that worked well for passengers as well as the delivery team.
Stage 6 was unique in that it's probably one of the last mechanical alterations we'll be doing to a mechanical frame. The operations required a mechanical set of points back that we originally intended on removing, and we had to electrically operate those set of points. We were required to install extra electrical switches underneath the panel, and we had to alter the mechanical locking. One of the tests we had to carry out after we'd done our mechanical locking changes was a mechanical interlocking test to verify that the mechanical locking performs as per the design. So the signalman can't inadvertently pull an incorrect lever and give an incorrect indication to the train driver. And it also checks that there's no wear and tear in the mechanical frame. Gosford signal box mechanical frame was installed in 1952, and we want to make sure that what we'd done hadn't caused an issue in the mechanical frame.
It was important for everyone to work together because there was a lot of different discipline involved in Stage 6.
Probably about 2 years worth of planning, a lot of very detailed planning, detailed construction programs.
We had daily meetings, morning and afternoon. Without doing that interaction and without close cooperation between the different disciplines, we'd struggle to achieve an outcome.
Biggest highlight for me for this project is to be able to work alongside that team of professionals.
They worked through blistering heat and the rain, gave up their Christmas and New Year's. Thank you.
We couldn't have done it without their support and without their technical expertise.
I really liked seeing how we came together, developed that plan, execute it on time, and to be able to deliver the scope safely and hand it back to the travelling public.